Attention, all Mintel Island members, this is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. A giant mermaid known as Queen Nerissa is attacking the city. If you're driving a car, please stop at the nearest hotel. If you're outside, hide from the mermaid. Further information will come very soon. Attention, all Mintel Island members, further information has come. We have received 2 Krakens rising up from the ocean, known as Gilman and Grandmama. If you are a member of the ocean side, please stay in shelter at all times. If you're still driving, stop at the nearest hotel as much as possible. If you're located outside and if you hear the signal, please be aware that you need to find a monster shelter immediately. Attention, all Mintel Island and Nickelodeon Island members, the attack is not over yet. A purple Kraken with 3 legs, known as Ruby Gilman, has now arisen from the ocean. I repeat, please stay inside at all times, or if you're in a car, drive to the nearest hotel or apartment as possible. Attention for all Mintel Island, Warner Island, and Nickelodeon Island inhabitants. The fight is now over, and the Krakens have won. You may now return to your local program without any hesitation. Have a good night, and we'll be back on the next disaster.
Ooh, ah, yeah. Take that!